If we want to enable or disable mobile data for apps on POCO F7, first of all, we need to go to the security app. Over here in security, we want to scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open toolbox, and then you should be able to go to data usage. Over here, we can find manage network connection, and then we have the list of apps, and at the top, we can switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. If you have two SIM cards, then you can choose mobile data for both SIMs separately. And furthermore, of course, we can decide, for example, to not use mobile data for specific apps by just disabling this this option over here for selected apps. Remember to do the same thing, for example, for the second SIM card in case you use it, or in case you sometimes use the mobile data of SIM number 2, so that you accidentally don't use the mobile data in apps that you don't intend to use. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.